Hello guys, Jayla here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace Siri with ChatGPT 4.0 on your phone. So it's pretty simple. As you can see right here, I have Batman on my home screen. So here, Batman will act as my ChatGPT 4o on my iPhone. So how did I do this, you say? So first, just download the ChatGPT application from your App Store, of course. So head on to App Store and then you will have to search up ChatGPT, of course. And then once you get ChatGPT right here, this one, so don't fall for the others. They're just not ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT right here by OpenAI. So here, I can start a conversation with, to do this pretty simple. Go to shortcuts and then here in all shortcuts, just go all shortcuts, search ChatGPT and then expand ChatGPT and start voice conversation. You can do this and select it with GPT-4o as you can see right here. So you can also add this into your home screen like what I've done right here with Batman. So there you go. That is how you replace your Siri with ChatGPT 4o on your iPhone. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.